Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. How you been? Stu is back. Yeah, me. This 2011 Infiniti QX56. This is the second generation, though. That will be from 2011 to 2013. Want to show you how to do the oil change in this baby. All right, so come on. Before I do that, I just want to, you know, give shout outs to the viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Subscribers also, love you. Thank you for the love. All right. No oil, no Johnson and Johnson. All right. Full synthetic on.
During the video, you will see the picture of the tool I'm using for the project with its current price. Some of these tools come with up to 50% discount. It is very easy to get them. Just go to the description box of the same video and look for the name of the tool that you need. Right underneath of it, you will see the link which it's going to take you to Amazon so you can finish your purchase. The tools will be delivered to you within 2 days or next day. Amazing, huh? Get the right tool for the job now. Yeah.
Man, I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's go, man. Are you gonna come through over here? How many miles this baby has? 76,000. Yeah, 78,000 miles. This is how you open the hood right here. Okay, pull it. That's how you open it. All right. All right. Here's the latch. I'm gonna tell you right now. This hood is heavy, bro. And it's good that they put two pistons there. All right. Now here's the over here is the engine oil cap, which this one is that one's cold. That one is hard. Oops. What is that? Can you tell me what is that? Right. Let's see. So fuel spots, battery, power steering, tank, reservoir, whatever you want to call it, radiator cap, another radiator cap. This is the reservoir. All right. Brake fluid reservoir, engine air filter. All right. That's the ABS down there. Motherboard. Sheesh. Fan. Huh. Pretty much. Yeah, I always check before I lift it. It's not shaking. Okay, that's goody. It's goody. Goody. Going up. It's a tricky, alright? If you want to do the coils and spark plugs, come through here. You got the 4 coils over there. Easy, alright? Feel me? Come through over here where everything's beautiful. It's gonna be 13, 14. 14. Alright, here we go. Okay. Goody. Jeez, that's black, yo. Look at that. What you think about that? I let it drain. The oil filter is behind this. It's covered. So you have a one bolt here, 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 here. All right. Much. I want to put the oil drain plug back. All right, tight it, snug it. You know how the game go. Now this is the last 13, right? Just gonna put it there because oops. It's not that heavy though, but still. Okay. There it is. And here's the oil filter. All right. That's this. Go. Huh. The same filter I use for the Hondas. I think I'm gonna use it here too. Huh. Okay. There you go, coming out. Bow. There you go. You see the goody goody? See what's goody goody? Put this thing right in a ruggy. Right here. You know, gotta clean this. Okay, for the new filter. Okay. That oil is super dark though. Okay. That's as much as I can clean. Let's get the filter. So this oil filter is Pro Tune. That's a part number. Okay. And here in the back, you have a few options. Purolator, weights, frame, part number right there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. Get this out. This one just comes the oil filter. Some oil for the gasket. There. Just by hand, right? That should be good. Alright, clean after yourself. Should be good. Alright, now we're gonna put the cover back. Let's see. Here it goes. Here it goes. As long as I put one. And I don't mind. You know the deal. Align the hose. What is that? Maybe like 5 pounds. Let's see. One. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Jeez. Grab a funnel. Put it there. Grab your 6.9 5W30. 6.9, all right? Quarts. 6.9 quarts. All right. Once you're done, remove the funnel, put the oil cap back. Start the car. Start the car, let it run for a minute, then shut it down. Pull this dipstick, wipe it, put it back in, pull it out, and it should be right here. Okay. Put that back. That should be it with this. Everything good. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, share button. Alright. Catch me in the next one. It's me, Stu Broom. Audi.